built-in full HD camera. You can make time-lapse videos for unbelievable moments. Watch them sprout and bloom in a way you've never experienced before. Children will be fascinated by how they experience the blooming of their flowers. Bloomengine is a smart indoor planter that brings the sprouting and beautiful blooming moments of plants to you anytime and anywhere. You can feel and record the plant journey in real time with Bloomengine. We offer the new concept of indoor green life with your lovely plants, especially small flowers. Bloomengine creates a better environment for plants indoors. All you have to do is fill the compressed soil, then place the seed on top of it. Our soil provides suitable conditions with liquid fertilizers. Then add water and turn the power on. With our watering system, you don't have to worry about it when you pack for a long trip. Through our app, you can set a specific setting for the water pump. The internal water pump circulates the water to make sure it stays fresh. Bloomengine's LED technology provides the perfect amount of light for your plants. You can also easily switch the LED light on and off using the app. And our microventilation fan supports the growth of flowers. It supports photosynthesis and encourages the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Bloomengine also will notify you if plants need your help. You can even name your plants as you keep caring for them. Children also can monitor and feel the growth of plants in real time with the built-in full HD camera. You can make time-lapse videos for unbelievable moments. Watch them sprout and bloom in a way you've never experienced before. Children will be fascinated by how they experience the blooming of their flowers. Present the most memorable of gifts to your family or loved ones. You can grow various plants that are meaningful to them and enjoy beautiful flowers together for 365 days in Bloomengine. Also, Bloomengine makes interior areas more special: living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even office. The RGB mood light makes your space more special at night. Step into the planting journey with Bloomengine to experience the whole cycle of planting seeds, growing, and blooming the flower.
Our lives are so busy. We have so much to do, just taking care of ourselves, where we live, our families and friends. So I think something that automatically could set it up and help us would be an excellent addition to our lives.
We're confident you will help your friends, family, and loved ones seize the beautiful memories which Bloomengine presents.